Hi, everyone, today we're going to make a classic Italian dish, potato gnocchi. Gnocchi are soft, pillowy dumplings made from potatoes, flour, and egg. To start, we'll need to boil some potatoes until they're soft and tender. Then, we'll mash them into a smooth and even texture. Next, we'll add some flour and a beaten egg to the mashed potatoes and mix everything together until it forms a soft and pliable dough. We'll then roll the dough into long ropes and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. We'll use a fork to press down on each piece, creating a ridge pattern that will help the gnocchi hold onto sauce. Finally, we'll boil the gnocchi until they float to the top, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll then drain them and serve them with our favorite sauce and toppings. And there you have it, a delicious and comforting dish of homemade potato gnocchi. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.